Hi, hi. I am Yogesh Gute. Today's technical point is uh, skeleton system. Now, skeleton system contains a framework of bone and connective tissue to that support and protect the body organ and tissues. It provides attachment point of muscles, allowing movement, breakdown of the skeleton system. Skeleton system contains two skeleton, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton contains skull, protect the brain and houses the sensory gland organs. Is contain eyes, ear, nose and mouth. Vertebral column protect the spinal cord and support the body weight. Rib cage protect the heart, lungs and other internal organs is the function of ribs. Appendicular skeleton, its shoulder girdle consists of the clavicle, collarbone and scapula, shoulder bone. It contains supportive the arm and allowing for their movement. Upper limb consists of the humerus, upper arm bone, radius and ulna. Forearm bones, it contains carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. Pelvic girdle, it consists of the hip bone. It contains ilium, ischium and pubis. Its function is supporting the trunk and transferring body weight to the lower limb. Lower limb consists of femur, is the longest bone in our body, patella, tibia and the fibula, tarsals, metatarsals and phalanges. This is the name of the bone in our foot region. The skeleton system is crucial for overall the body structural movement and the protect of vital organs is the main function of the skeleton system. Now, skeleton system also very important play role in the calcium provide in our body. The low concentration of the calcium in blood that contain our body get calcium in bone and the blood calcium level is high. That time the calcium is store the in bone is the also main function. And skeletal system contains the body posture and the structure maintained. Without the bone our body cannot be movement. The skeletal system contains organ or support to the protect the organ. The example of heart and lungs, they are protect in rib cage, they are also protect in that here. Our body smallest bone is stapes and longest bone is femur. Now vertebra contains cranial vertebra, it's 7 bone. Cranial vertebra contains 7 bone. Luminar vertebra, it contains lumbar vertebra. Now facial bones also in our